Aye, aye. Picking up all his fag butts.
He's not. He's picking up all the doggins to make a cigarette.
Right, where's that? That one. That one. Click on that one. And we're in.
Oh, here we go.
We're in,
Here
we're
we
in.
go. What's he
Yeah,
doing?
we're
We're taking a detour again.
Yeah.
Knee down, knee down. Nice. Cool, and that nice.
Lovely, innit?
Do you reckon that was a house or flats?
I reckon that was a house.
Oh, it's got to be flats, isn't it?
Some rich fuckers live out here.
And I bet those houses there are built better than any of them.
Yeah, definitely.
Yep.
Plumb walls, square rooms.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not a piece of fucking stud work inside.
No. And this is where they say, I'm just going to pop out and cut the grass, love. And then he climbs on the roof. Look at it. Weird, isn't he?
Yeah. All very eco-friendly, while China's pumping out all the trinkets for Nigel and shipping them 3,000 miles.
Uh-oh, look at that bastard. Missed that one.
Oh. Mind you, she said, who's planned the route for today? I said, no. She went, oh, you'll be taking the wrong turns then.
It's always the route that's all right. It's me not watching the fucking screen. Oh, I thought that was shit in the middle. It's not. It's a dry bit.
That's nice. Mind you, you've got to be careful of the dry bits.
It's an actual dry bit.
He's thinking about it.
He is.
He stopped thinking about it.
Car coming.
Okay.
You're clear after that car. You got a nice long straight after him. Still clear.
Okay.
Still clear. Go for it. Still clear. Both of you.
Both like.
Then you got a left-hand bend here. With a mighty articulated lorry heading your way.
Target acquired.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking the same thing.
What's that?
He's locked on.
I know nothing of what you fucking speak.
See, that van's just panicking and getting out of the fucking way.
Sure was a fucking steamroller coming up behind us. I say Chippenham, I haven't put us through it. We're going to go up a little cut the back roads so we can land up anywhere.
Excellent. Well, if we don't get to meet Derek, we can always phone him. Where's Steve? Hang on.
That's right.
He's still behind that Mini.
Like a candle in the wind. Never
Here he
knowing
comes.
where he's going, 'cause he can't see a thing.
Look at that, it's like a fucking meteorite coming in.
Whoop, whoop. The Singer sewing machine.
Anyway, as we were saying, my right ear, you know, them bloody great Dumbo wings I've got.
This oddly shaped fucking head of yours.
Yeah.
Shrek.
It feels like the speaker in that ear was rubbing my ear. Putting pressure on it.
I'd fucking say it was more a case of your ear rubbing the speaker.
I think you could be right there, yeah.
I reckon that ear's got a fucking mind of its own.
So I've moved it forward and down more and it's still irritating. Off you go, sir.
I reckon that ear lives independently of the rest of your body.
Well, that is the ear I can't hear a lot out of, and I thought, well, if push comes to shove, I'll just take the fucking speaker out.
Did you like my comment in that last video when you said, I just wish I could hear it clearer? Yeah, finding your fucking hearing aids might help. Right, get ready to smell.
Oh,
Normally
food.
smell egg and bacon here.
Yeah, that lock in on the left here does a nice breakfast. What used to.
This one.
Just back there, just past the bridge.
I
By the
you're-
looks of Nigel's last attempt at eating a breakfast, fucking child, innit?
Yeah.
I'm full.
Jesus,
Eat
I couldn't
it.
eat all that.
He did pick the biggest fucking one on the menu, didn't he?
That was big too.
And you know that saying, my eyes were bigger than my belly?
Yeah.
Yeah, look like Marty Feldman.
I bet you were embarrassed for him, weren't you, Steve?
I was
I was
ashamed.
embarrassed when he asked for a child's one.
But I ate all mine. And
It's not that, it's the way he asked. Do you do children here?
Can I have a child, please? God, that kid's floating. It's like a ghost, isn't it?
I know. Yeah.
Hovering along.
Fucking omen.
Oh.
And there she was staring at Nige. she can hear the devil in his head.
It's not that. She was saying, they go, why is that man wearing a life jacket on a bike? That's quite an imposing building, that, isn't it?
That is.
Look at the old shutters left
if-
in the windows.
Oh, yeah. And if it was yours, there'd be a bathroom on every fucking floor.
A big fucker at that.
Every floor would be a bathroom.
Yeah.
Ah, she's walking now. Let's give up.
You know, I've seen bigger twiglets.
Exactly. I've got a nicer ass than that.
That's a conversation killer.
I can't believe no one agreed. Bastards.
Is that a pull-in? Looks solid, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diddly-dee, diddly-dee, diddly-dee.
There it is.
Right, hill assist on. Right, we're all faffed up. That was a quick faff stop, actually.
Yeah.
It was.
Wasn't very long at all, that.
I didn't even have time to have a fag. Yeah, I've only got mine on one, but it's enough to make it comfortable.
Yeah.
Bloody godsend, I wish I'd bought them earlier.
Oh, they do make a huge difference.
Yeah.
Pansies.
Well, we haven't got that extra insulation layer, have we?
Fucking pansies.
We're built more like whippets, aren't
Big
we, Nick?
fucking Jessies.
Oh. Bankers!
Big girls' place.
Well, mine don't work, so
Hairy nipples.
Oh, here comes that therapy.
This is to bypass Chippenham.
oh, is it?
Yeah.
Well, so far it's a very nice bypass.
Otherwise, you'll just spend your life going down all the dual carriageways round the edge of Chippenham.
Yeah.
As you can see, plenty of other people do the same by the look of it.
Yes.
We should come down here, and there should be some industrial units on the right-hand bit in a minute.
Yeah.
And then we come to a crossroads. We should go straight across, if I remember.
And then he's going to show us where he buried the body.
Yeah. I was thinking, and if we don't see all that, we're lost.
Yeah.
So what is the plan for the day after meeting Derek and having a breakfast?
Try not to get lost.
Yeah. Well, at least we're going to get there okay, because you removed that waypoint, didn't you? 35 or whatever it was.
that's the old Saab convertible.
Oh,
Look at
yeah.
that beauty.
Oh, bollocks, should have gone that way.
Oh, for fuck's sake, there it is. It starts.
See, I was looking down at something, oh, bollocks.
You can see a fucking clapped out old Saab in a lay-by. Never mind where the fuck we're going.
Yeah,
Next left is saying.
there'll be a turn in a minute.
Yeah, this.
It's saying spin it round. There's a left turn here.
Yeah.
Shall we risk it?
What could go wrong?
Castle Coombe, unless you spin it here and go back to that junction. It's only down there, isn't it?
Well, my map's saying left, and then we'll go right at the end of this little road.
I would think this would put us onto that road
Yeah.
that we
It's
should have
got to.
taken.
It's got to, innit?
It
Let's
does.
have a look. We don't care anyway.
It could do.
It's saying left
right,
there, fuck's
No,
sake.
right. It'd be right, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Because that's where we should have come from.
Yeah, it was
I
trying to send you
reckon,
back
yeah.
to 13.
To that waypoint,
Oh
yeah.
my god, I've got blue lines every road now.
Right. Yeah, we should have gone right.
We should have gone
Yeah.
right.
What we should have done was kept my eyes on the screen in the first place, then we
Yeah,
wouldn't
that-
be in this predicament.
Yeah, we can spin it
Right.
round here.
Spin a Huey.
Fucking hell.
Oh, it's a golf academy.
Ooh.
Driving range and pitch and putt. Oh,
Nice.
my nose blocks standing up.
Yeah, they're a bit fucking.
They're
upright,
well
aren't they?
stood up, aren't they?
Oh, cramp.
Oh, clear, Nick.
Right, ignore that it's saying right. It's
Right.
trying to go back to that
Yeah,
waypoint.
left here.
Yeah.
And this is the junction where we should have come straight across. Had I remembered to look at the fucking screen.
Jeez Louise, isn't it?
Bit quicker going through Chippenham.
Would have been. Would have been less fucking turnings as well.
Yeah, and there was 18 fucking roundabouts on
Yeah.
Would have been less miles. So we're not lost. We know exactly where we are. We're just not.
Well, I
where
mean,
we're
the map's
supposed to
right
be.
again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just dickhead not looking at. I just refuse to have that chuntering away in my fucking ear hole.
Oh, it's got us doing a right here.
Yeah, going
No,
into
it's telling
industrial
us-
estates.
It's telling us to turn round. There you go. Waypoint 13 has been skipped.
Yes. Well, I'm on 35, 4, 3, 2, 31, 29, 20.
Right, 1.2 miles. We're turning right. Remember that.
Yeah.
Now look. There is a route
look.
that's straight across, but it's
No.
saying right.
Mine's saying straight across.
Mine's saying,
Yeah.
well, mine's saying
I-
right.
Yeah, mine's saying right, but I wonder whether this bastard is doing. I'm going to go straight across.
Yeah, mine says straight across.
There we go.
Oh look, we're going to Chippenham. He's going to take us round that, isn't he?
Yeah. It'll bring us out on a fucking roundabout.
No, this will bring us out on the 35, the
350.
the 429. 429, isn't it, that goes up to Cirencester.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I'm glad I didn't wash me bike.
Right, I've got bare left up here.
Yeah, and this is the main road. If we'd have gone down there, would it? See, that's that sat nav, mind that pothole. Cool,
Yeah.
bloody hell.
Lovely.
That's that sat nav thinking for itself again.
Well, mine,
Yeah.
mine was saying straight ahead.
Mine was saying left. Right, sorry.
Yeah, I saw
Yeah,
it.
mine was saying right.